See how it's nice? What I'm going to show you now is going to elevate your playing, and you're gonna be very happy that you learned this. Is the Sus2 and Sus4. If you're in the key of C, you have this C, E, G. You wanna add the third right here, this. Okay, you see this? Instead of playing this is G, C, E, G. You're gonna play this. Now, I know the habit is to have C, G, C here. But what I would do here, you see here, there's the C that you move here, put it here. See? But the secret is not just to do this for C, you're going to do the same thing for F also. See? Because this is regular C, F, this is F. You're gonna put this here. And the middle note right here, you're gonna put it here. Let's go to G, do the same thing too. See? Then do it here. See I'm moving it? Now, even if you're here, but do it here. Okay? This is Sus2, and to do Sus4, you are here, you're gonna move this here. Because 1, 2, 3, 4 is his. Then you're still gonna do the same thing here. Well, since we're in the key of C, we can do that. It sounds like F2, C2, and then C4. You can do that. Here you can do that too. Alright, so let's use that. See? See? Nice arpeggio. I'm always a big I always tell you to move to the other key, do the same thing too. I'm all for that. What I do is just do. See how nice it sounds? And I do on a arpeggio here. Then do it here. Alright, use that in your playing. As you play, instead of playing a regular C, C sharp, just add that to it. See how it's nice? Alright, I hope that helps, and if that helps, please subscribe and check my other videos, and see you in the next lesson.